Welcome back, family, to SB Aesthetics. Here on this channel, we talk about beauty and budgeting, and today we're going to be talking about budgeting in envelopes. So, budgeting in envelopes. Where is she going with this? So basically, of course, budgeting, there's many definitions for budgeting, but budgeting is simply knowing or finding a place for your money to go, whether that's bills, whether that's groceries, whether that's vacation planning, anything, just finding a home for your money, whether it's saving or paying bills, like I said. And then also, if you are a person who kind of struggles with saving money or struggle with budgeting in particularly, the envelope system come into place. So that is what we're going to talk about. So yes, so before we get started, you guys, for those who are new here, welcome to the channel. This is SB Aesthetics, and like I said earlier, on this channel we do beauty and budgeting videos, and I also like insight from my supporters out there who are looking or are curious about other videos. Let me know, drop them in the comments. Just make sure they're based on beauty and budgeting, and we good. So yeah, so if you are a person that feel like you save pretty good, but you kind of want more of a strategic planning, I think the envelope system is very, very great, because it literally lets you know how much you have for that particular category or bill or whatever you want, and how much you need to put in. So I'm just gonna I just got these box of envelopes. I've been having these for quite some time, and I talk about the envelope system a lot with my family and friends, and I really encourage them to pursue it if they are a person who struggle with finding a home for their money as far as certain things they spend their money on. So there's some people that I know that have like 7 categories or even 13. Yeah, it can get very lengthy. It's just all about what you want, and we'll talk about some of those categories too coming up, but I want to show you the envelopes. So they have the longer envelopes too. I have longer ones too, so if you don't like the short ones, you can always get the long ones. And I got these, I believe, from Dollar Tree. I want to say you can get them from Dollar Tree or Walmart, anywhere pretty much, but these ones are more true to the dollar bill size, and then these ones are just a little bigger. So whichever one you want, I mean, it doesn't matter. They're envelopes. You're going to put the money in them. So moving on. And you guys, you can literally, like, if you want, you can put a sticker. Like some people put sticky notes on their envelopes, and then they write the and then they write their category on there. Some people just write their category on there. So you guys keep hearing me say categories. Oh, what's category? Well, what are you talking about, categories? Okay, so basically, when you budget, you're budgeting to put money away for something. So what that entails is, like, let's say, for example, use this. So I'm budgeting to buy me another foundation, NARS foundation. This jar cost about 42 bucks. So I'm going to budget for that. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make this. So for me, because I do makeup a lot, and I'm in the beauty industry, I'm going to put makeup. I'm just going to put makeup. That's what I'm going to name my category. See? Makeup. Okay, and then so every time I get paid, I put money aside for that specific category. So even you can even go and, like, you can use stickers to take on and off, or just to put on top. You don't have to write it on like I did. So every time I get paid, I like to do bi-weekly. Bi-weekly versus monthly, just because it works better for me. So this right here, I should have in my envelope bi-weekly. Every time I get paid, I should put this in my envelope for this specific category. I will suggest, like, if you are a big spender, like let's say you're a big spender in makeup, you might want to put a little bit more up just so you can spend and have the money for it, and so you won't have to pull from other envelopes or anything like that. So yes, that's how that looks right here. And literally, I know people are like, okay, well, when I start the envelope system, when can I use it? Well, you use it as you need it. You know, like if, like, let's say you put $10 in there today. Tomorrow you got to go get some makeup. You take the 10 out and you use it for makeup. Now, if you have change, and if you watch my dollar challenge video, I would highly suggest you to watch that because that's a good video. But if you have change or dollar bills, save them, put them up. Do not put them back in the envelope. Why do I say that? It's because it's another form of saving. It's another form of saving that will help you save even more. So, yes, you might have got change back from one of your categories. No, if it's a dollar bill or change, you're not going to put it in here. If it's a $5 bill, yes, put it back. But if it's like a dollar bill or change, add it to your savings, your piggy bank or whatever. Add it to that because it's just you adding more value to you. That's basically what it is. And so that's kind of like what I do for myself. Like if I know, like, let's say I got some makeup and I got $10. Let's say my makeup only came up to $3. Well, that $7 I have, I'm going to put, if I got 3 ones and a 5, I'm going to put the 3 ones up with my change, and then I'm going to put the 5 back in the makeup thing, and we're going to wait until 2 weeks to fill the envelope back. Y'all get that? Y'all get that? So hopefully that is not confusing for you guys. So yeah, that's that. And so some of the categories, you know, of course, food is one. You need food. Car maintenance is a big one. I like to put more into that one because I know every once in a blue moon, like my brakes, they need fixed. So coming up, I'm gonna be having to fix my brakes. I'm not gonna be too concerned because why? I've been saving for that moment. What else is, there's so many great ones. Dental and health co-payments. Oh my gosh, that's a big one. How many of you guys, I'm guilty of it, where you like, okay, I don't have the money for it, just bill me. And then you get billed. And then, woe below, by the end of the year, it's like, oh, you owe $150. What are all those? Oh, co-payments or just extra stuff. It seems like there's just extra, like when you pay your hospital bill, it seems like things just pop up. Who else go through that? Am I the only one? I just don't like it. But anyway, there's a category for that for me. Okay? Because it's a headache. I don't like it. Moving on. Okay. So, entertainment. Entertainment is a big one for me and my family. Because we work so much, me and my husband work so much, we kind of like to entertain ourselves, so to speak, whether that be food or going out with the children or just doing things with each other. We do like to get that little entertainment part in our life because we are very busy folks. So I think it's very important and it produces longevity for us, and you need it. You just really need it. You'll thank me later. Yes. Yeah. And what else? Oh yeah, before I go on, you guys, please stop what you're doing. Make sure you subscribe. And then go get some popcorn and, you know, some candy and come back and watch this video. And budget for that popcorn and candy. Don't forget. But anyway, yeah. Subscribe, guys. Thank you. And moving on. Okay, so yeah, we said food. We said car maintenance. We were talking about co-payments for health and dental. I mean, the categories are so much. When I was helping my sister, I mean, she had like 13 things, and I was like, gosh, you know, like 3 of those could fit in one category. But hey, she wanted to break it down in those specifics. I said, you do what you do because that's your money and you know you. Okay. I just recently added a self-care one, you guys. I don't know what it is. It's like hard to take care of self. Like you take care of yourself, but like treat yourself like a car maintenance type of thing. you gotta, yeah, it's weird. You just gotta take care of yourself. And so basically I just added a self-care one, and that one is $20 for me, because I think it's so important, because when you work a lot and when you just do so much, you need that time out for yourself. Like you really need that time out for yourself. It's it can be very, yeah, daunting. Yeah, okay, so yeah, you just need that time out for yourself. So yes, budgeting. It's so important to budget, you guys. Budget for everything. I don't care if it's the simplest thing, like if you need to go buy some markers or school supplies, budget for it, because let me tell you something, when you have an envelope for it, you feel responsible. You feel like you've been doing everything you needed to do. Like, you just feel good all around. You know, you're like, oh my gosh, I already got that money for that. I don't need to like wait for my paycheck. I have it. It's a great feeling. I mean, the feeling is just wonderful. Okay, it's bomb. The feeling is bomb. Yes. So, and I know many people have different ways of how they budget and how they do the envelope system. But for me, what works best for me is I like to do it on every time I get paid. Just so I know that every time I get paid, that money is getting put away. So yeah, some people do it monthly. You can do it monthly. And then, you know, it depends on too how you get paid too works. Now, I did get stuck with it's weird. Like I pay my bills, and then I budget for, you know, things that I need, but I also like to, you know, have like $5 or something that is just sitting with me. I need something, and if I run out of that, I just run out of it. But I think when you, of course, you pay your bills. So so the envelope systems that I do, my bills, like my main bills, are not included in this. This is like things that I go shop for, like makeup, cleaning products, entertainment, going out, fast food places, those type of things that come up, you know, because we always get lost. Like, where did our money go? What did we spend on? To avoid all that, pay your bills, and then anything else you want to put. So let's say you want to put $100 up each check, break it up into however many categories. You know, you might do 10 in this envelope. This one might be entertainment, so you might do 5 in this envelope. So however you like it, just break it up to whatever that is. So, okay, you know, I ain't big math whiz, but let's say you got 5 categories and you want to save $100 bi-weekly. So you could put $20 in each of those categories every time you get paid. $20, and it will add up, because let me tell you something. You're not going to be using this all the time. You're not going to be spending money on makeup all the time unless you're just addicted. But yeah, but it feels good when you can go to your envelope and be like, I got it. And then maybe like if you had a major expense, like I'm gonna use a car maintenance for example. Maybe like, let's say you had $200, but your car maintenance came up to $280. Well, you need to come up with $80. You know, it's unexpected. You can even have an unexpected envelope, okay? Yes, you can. You have an unexpected envelope, or just one that said things, miscellaneous bills, anything. You can have that one, and you can take that 80 and put it with the car maintenance, and boom. Your cycle is untouchable because you've been doing this for so long that it's growing. Your own investment is just growing. It's growing. So yeah, so that is what today's video is about: budgeting and how to save, you know, like how to save with envelopes and how to budget with the envelope system. So, and don't be ashamed if you got like a million envelopes. I mean, heck, you know, you might have a million things that you want to do. I mean, there's people, it's specific. And what I mean by that, I mean like people can make an envelope strictly for popsicles. If they like popsicles, it's strictly for, it's not even, they don't even put it under food. They just gonna say popsicles because darn it, that's what they like. You get me? You catch my drift? All right. So yes, you guys, if you have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section. And I just want to say welcome to SBE Aesthetics. Come join the family if you haven't already. And for those who are already part of the family, stay tuned for more videos and welcome. And I thank you guys for your support. And just keep rocking with me. Keep grinding. Because we're going to grind out and do makeup and all that together forever. All right. Bye.